connect your machine to the tryhackme.com like machines, servers, whatever it is, and connect to them with openvpn if you do not have the actual premium or whatever. So what you want to do is first you want to go to your file, your profile, or go to access machines. It says download your OpenVPN configuration pack, so you click this download right here. Well, I'd be on what's called, but realistically I'll do it on this because this is the machine I'll be using. So I'd go to tryhackme.com. And what you want to do is unzone that real quick. Yeah, you go to whatever thing you're on this one. Now I'd click access machine, open VPN. I'd click download. Yes, you want to save file. You could do wget, but if you're not a Linux like that, I wouldn't do that. But then you want to close that, and then you'll get this keynote. You do want to be in your downloads directory. Oh. Okay. So you do want to be in your downloads. Oh, let's see. I got two of them because I just downloaded one, but we could just it doesn't matter. It's the same like file. So if you get one, you could use them all the time. So if you just need to do this once, get the file once, and that configuration will work every time. So what you do is go to sudo open VPN, and then this copy and paste. When you paste in the terminal, if you're not used to it, you actually have to get Control Shift V. Same thing with copy, Control Shift C, and then paste is V, and like that. And then type in your password, and you can't see it because that's how you're writing stuff in. You're having input, but you won't see it because that's how Linux is. And that does. And what you want is that sync was complete. And you actually don't need this one. You could just exit out of this, and then you're all good. Your VPN is you're connected. Let's see. Yeah, so you go to access, and it should say connected. Sometimes it's be weird, and you will be connected, but uh, it won't show it. Sometimes it happens to me sometimes, but 90% of the time I would say it will say connected. And then just make sure you're on that region. And if this is what you'll see, because I already configured my file, but this is what you would see, and then click download. But once you get that done, you did sudo, and it will say connected, and you're good to go. And just a couple side tips. I would actually recommend using a virtual machine for doing these, because some of this stuff is kind of viable. Like you might have some modules on here that you don't have on your typical Linux or Unix distro. So it's very useful, and plus you could just have some scripts on there that they might have or something. It's just overall, and plus you could just have like, you can make directory for, I don't know, for something like web hacking, and you could write all your save files on web hacking and stuff like that. Or you could just make a whole directory for this, for what's called. Another thing is you do want to keep notes You don't have to like save them, but the action of you writing them down will help you learn it. Really, like that's like almost a requirement, especially if you want to be good and really make sure you understand this. Don't skim through some things. Be like, ah, that's not important. It is. It might seem not, but it all connects. It's all this is done for a reason. And if you don't understand something, like there's some acronym. What is this? We'll say you don't know what NFC or NFC whatever network file system. We'll say you don't know what that is, or you don't know what remote protocol. The same meaning, and then cyber or cybersecurity. Yeah, boom. It gives you a quick description. If you don't understand that well, just click on the full article and read that through. And I think that's the be it for today. This should help you beginning. And if this was helpful or educational, like to your benefit, then please leave a like and subscribe. If shows the if config, it shows these tunes. If you don't want to have multiples and you want to get rid of these, you click Control C or I'm tripping. So you click the kill all. Well, you actually need sudo. It's kill all open VPN. And I'll blur this out, but I'll just show you that it will get rid of the tune. See how I'll just have ethos local. So I hope that helped you, and all you have to do to get it back is to type in those same commands in.